From the Big Bang Theory and artificial intelligence to addressing health inequities, research at the George Washington University changes the world. At GW, we cultivate an environment that challenges, motivates, equips, and empowers our undergraduate students to take part in the journey of discovery and have an impact on the world around them before they even graduate. Approximately 30% of all GW undergraduates conduct mentored, hands-on research during their time as a student. Through a variety of partnerships in our location in the nation's capital, many will have the opportunity to work alongside staff at some of the world's most influential organizations, companies, and federal agencies, including NASA, the Smithsonian Institution, and the World Bank, just to name a few. Using GW's state-of-the-art research facilities and equipment, our students and professors investigate how genes determine the colors and patterns in butterfly wings using genome editing tools like CRISPR, how cancers persist and evade the body's immune system, opening up new therapeutic directions, how artificial intelligence can advance emerging technologies like brain-computer interfaces for clinical and commercial applications, how objects like microplastics and other particles behave in and move through the oceans and other bodies of water, and so much more. Recognized as a leading research university by the Association of American Universities, GW is committed to advancing research to address the world's most urgent challenges. You can join our charge to work on discoveries and breakthroughs that impact lives around the world and in your own backyard. It starts with a revolutionary idea.